These are just a few of the top EV-related stocks that could see higher highs. These are just three of the top electric vehicle-related stocks to buy now. Standard Lithium. Lithium should run higher, with supply unable to keep up with demand. Li Auto. Deliveries and earnings growth are only accelerating. Ford Motor. This oversold automaker is only getting aggressive with its electric future. Let's dive in. Here are the three EV stocks to invest in for big-time, long-term gains. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. By now, you've all heard about the electric vehicle boom. You're well aware that global leaders want millions of them on the roads in the next decade. You know President Biden wants at least 50% of all new autos to be electric by 2030. And you've constantly heard about some of the top EV stocks to buy and hold, all of which are still buys. So what's new? The U.S. Energy Department just said it would provide $2 billion in grants and $10 billion in loans to support the conversion of U.S. automaker and supplier facilities into manufacturing centers for hybrid and electric vehicles, as noted by CNN. The agency is also expected to invest another $3.5 billion to boost U.S. production of EV batteries, all of which should fuel higher highs in these top EV stocks to buy and hold, including Number 1. Standard Lithium. One of the standout lithium stocks to buy is Standard Lithium. For one, Standard Lithium is an excessively oversold lithium company that's operating in the East Texas Smackover region, the same region near where ExxonMobil just bought drilling rights to 120,000 gross acres. Even better, Standard Lithium just claimed it found the highest confirmed lithium-grade brine in the region too. We also have to consider there's not enough lithium supply to meet demand. It's why automakers are inking major lithium supply deals directly with miners. And it's why producers have become increasingly worried they won't be able to meet demand anytime soon. Making matters worse, Corinne Blanchard, a director at Deutsche Bank, says, there will be a deficit of 40,000 to 60,000 tons of lithium carbonate equivalent by the end of 2025. This will increase to 768,000 tons by the end of 2030, as noted by CNBC. In short, until supply can keep up with demand, lithium prices will run higher. Number 2. Li Auto. Or take a look at Li Auto. After pulling back from $47.33 to a recent low of $38.25, the EV stock is just starting to pivot higher. In the near term, I'd like to see Li Auto refill its bearish gap around $46 a share. Bank of America, Barclays, and Citi all just increased their price targets on Li Auto too. Helping, the company just delivered 34,914 vehicles in August, a growth rate of about 664% year-over-year and 2.3% month-over-month. With earnings, the company just posted second quarter earnings per share of 36 cents, which beat estimates by 17 cents. Revenue was up just above 228% to $3.95 billion, which beat estimates by $150 million. In second quarter, vehicle sales jumped 229.7% to $3.86 billion. As for the third quarter, the company expects to see deliveries of between 100,000 and 103,000, which would be an increase of 277% to 288.3% year-over-year. Li Auto also sees third quarter revenues of between $4.46 billion and $4.59 billion, growth of between 246% and 256.4%. In short, there's plenty to like about this oversold EV stock. Number 3. Ford Motor. We can also look at oversold shares of Ford Motor. After diving from about $15.25 to a low of $11.58, the auto stock appears to have caught strong support and is just starting to pivot higher. It's another one that's also overextended on RSI, MACD, and Williams %R and could potentially refill its bearish gap around $13.75 initially. In fact, while we wait for it to recover, we can collect the company's current 4.94% yield. And while the company is losing money on electric vehicles at the moment, it's still charging ahead with its EV plans. Better, according to CEO Jim Farley, Ford is still fully committed to its EV expansion. He noted that even its lower target for 2023, 400,000 EVs by the end of the year, is still up fourfold from 2022, as noted by NPR. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.